Hey everybody, it's Jeremy here with the Guillette Group, and today I'm going to do something pretty special for you guys. We talk all the time about how the Summerwood is one of Pulte's most popular floor plans and just how versatile it is. Well, today I'm going to show you one that our buyers just purchased last week where they did the great room style. I'm going to show you what it's like. Take a look with us. All right, we're going to start our tour by coming in the main entrance. And although this is the base configuration, it's one of the nicest looks, I think, one of the elevations that actually has that bay window. Okay, so starting here is the first bedroom. Got the big bay window as I was just describing. And then this particular buyer actually put in the can lights in all the bedrooms, which is really nice. So, of course, you can add another fixture or a ceiling fan, whatever you may prefer. And then this is really nice. They actually configured the den as a bedroom. So as you come into this room, you basically have two guest rooms that adjoin the second full bathroom. And again, you got the can lights with the additional fixture available. So then this is the main bathroom. And you can see they did a full shower, which is a great upgrade. And because they made the den the bedroom, you end up with a nicer entryway. So a lot of people may choose to shiplap this wall, put a console table, however you want to set it up. But you can see how big and broad, really nice archway. And then of course you've got the utility laundry room, really good size. The air handler is there, and then your technology center is actually behind that door. So we talk all the time about how versatile the Summerwood floor plan is. Part of that is this tandem garage. So there's a ton of additional storage on the one length here, as you can see, all the way down. And this particular buyer actually did the expanded walk-in closet. So this is slightly smaller than it would be in its standard configuration. Okay, but this is what makes this house special. It's very rare that you see the great room option selected. So, this is just one huge open space. Typically in the Summerwood, you'd have a dining area here. As opposed to that, they did the great room, so it's just one huge room. They also did the upgraded kitchen, so they have the longer island. They upgraded the built-in package, so they've got KitchenAid appliances. They do have a Whirlpool fridge, but everything else is KitchenAid, as you can see. And then because they upgraded to that package, you actually see dovetail joints and soft close hardware. So as silly as that may sound, most of the homes in here don't have that, so it's really nice when you have a builder or a buyer that actually takes the time to put those kind of finishings into the home. So moving into the primary suite, you can see it's set back so you can't see the main bedroom from the living space. The other nice thing is because the other two bedrooms are up front, you have the split bedroom design. So you have a lot of privacy between the master and then also your guest bedrooms. So they did the expanded walk-in shower with the bench. They do have additional tile for backsplash, etc. You have your water closet here. These particular sellers, buyers just a little bit ago, actually wanted a bidet, so they already have the bathroom wired and ready to go for the bidet. You have a linen closet here, and then this is huge. So they did the expanded walk-in closet, and you can see tons of space inside this walk-in closet. So this is a huge amount of space for a floor plan of this size. The way that they've configured this home, this actually, you can see here, double vanity, and again, all soft close hardware all the way throughout the home. But this particular home is 2,062 square feet, so it's actually one of the larger Summerwoods that you can build. And again, it's this space here that really makes it unique. Really nice finishings on the quartz, the gray, super clean lines, everything is flat front. That was important to the builders. And you do have a pantry here as well. That's also good size. Really nice light backsplash. Now we'll make our way out to the pool. Okay, so here we are coming out to the pool area. And although they took this space and made that great room style, they still have the extended covered lanai, and they also had the plumbing pre-plumbed for the outdoor kitchen. So you've already got your plumbing in place, electric, you actually have electric, and they already have the hood ducted and vented through the ceiling as well. And this space is large enough that you could have a dining area there. You could have kind of a sitting and TV area where I am now. And then really great lot. So it is an interior lot, but what you'll see is there's a lot of preserve between this house and the home behind it. The other thing that these buyers particularly did was extended this pool area. So this is not your standard pool that would come with a builder pool package. They chose different pavers, they did a different size pool, and this is actually 10 feet from the columns to the edge of the pool. So there's a lot of room, and as you come out here, you'll see just a lot of space. So again, Summerwood can be very versatile. But great pool, good size, and again, really great covered space for a home of this size. Okay, so we'll just make our way back in, and I'll just reinforce, this is just not the way that you see most of the Summerwoods configured. Typically, you're gonna see the den or a second bedroom that's actually where that extra garage space. In this home, they chose for this large great room style, and then they expanded the walk-in closet in lieu of the bedroom. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and again, about 2,062 square feet. Okay, so that was the floor plan with the great room option for the Summerwood. This is a super popular floor plan. It's in an even more popular neighborhood called the Place at Corkscrew. If you want to check it out, make sure you watch this video. Now, Pulte offers something very similar to this, but they call it the Mystique. That's available at the new neighborhood, Verdana Village, which you can see here.